Welcome back to the channel. Thank you. I am Andrew Lobban, and this is the vlogs. All right, so today we are going to be working on the garage door. I have a remote, but it stopped working. So I'm going to try to reprogram it. I've actually tried changing the battery. It wasn't a battery issue, and both remotes stopped working. Before we begin, thank you for visiting the channel. Thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Go towards supporting the channel. We're trying to reach 1,000 by summer 2023. All right, let's get into it. All right, so it's evident that pressing the button doesn't do anything. So we're gonna hit the learn button. So here we have the learn button. We're gonna press that, a light should come on. There it is. And now all I need to do is grab the remote. Grab the remote and press and receive the signal. So now if I press this, voila, that works. I didn't expect it to work that quick, but the Raynor remote actually works. All right, let's move on to programming the next transmitter. One thing I just realized is that this is the first remote and this is the second one, and they're essentially the same remote. So pressing that button actually opened up the garage. I didn't even have to program it. So once I program this one, or I should say, I programmed the door opener. You're not actually programming the remote. It's just recognizing the signal and opening based on the button that was pressed. So, yep, we're done here. I've successfully reprogrammed the buttons on the transmitter. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. As mentioned before, we're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. So help us get there. All right, see you in the next one. Peace.